African community, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to come among you today and share with you our long-term will to join the community, this great community. More than a decade ago, Somalia has applied to join the community, but circumstances that were existing in Somalia and other issues were not permitting to Somalia join easily to the community. But our long-term dream was always to be part of this great community, and still we are pursuing that dream to be realized. Today, I feel honored and privileged to be here with you and share with you how Somalia is willing and eager to say. Somalia belongs to East Africa. There is no one country among the 7 countries sitting here that Somalia is not linked to by business, by community, by any other means. Our people, Somali people, are available everywhere. The people from these great countries are there, so helping Somalia to come back to its own feet. A lot of sacrifices has been made to Somalia by the East African community members. We are very much grateful for that. And to repay back that, we need to be part of this community. And now Somalia is right at the corner, and we believe that we have a great potential to contribute to this great community. Excellencies, I'm very grateful and glad today to see the Somali flag flying side by side with your flags. And and I hope and will remain hopeful that it will remain there for the years to come. So thank you very much again for providing that. I would like also to take this opportunity to thank you for the almost 3 decades time that Somalia was in the difficult situation, how your countries, your governments, your people have supported the Somali people by accommodating them in your great countries and by sending your boys and girls there to support the Somali people and die for the Somali cause inside Somalia. We have your boys there defending Somalia. We have your knowledgeable bear teaching Somalis in the universities and the schools. We have your doctors treating Somali people inside Somalia, and of course in your country as a refugee or as many of them citizens of those countries of yours. We all, in all aspects, we are indebted to what has been given to Somalia for a long time, and Somalia will remain struggling to pay back those debts. As everybody else said, the future of these countries are linked together, and Somalia, we don't want it to be a liability anymore, but we want it to be a very effective and contributing country to these great nations. And then I'm here standing in front of you, requesting officially on behalf of the Somali people, we need to join this great community. It will be a dream come true the day that Somalia will access officially to this great community. And when recently I met His Excellency President Uhuru, and I told the Somali people that we are going to join the East Africa community, a lot of people were congratulating me to do that, and they were telling me that this is a legacy for you to get that opportunity to join Somalia with the East Africa community and the common market of East Africa. Somalia, yes, with all these circumstances, Somalia is a very rich country in terms of all we have been discussing and all excellences have been said today. We are a resourceful, and Somalia is part of that rich land of East Africa in terms of livestock, in terms of agriculture. We are not a large population, 15 to 20 million people with close to 10 million hectares of arable land with permanent rivers throughout the year. Unfortunately, because of the circumstances, we are between throughout the year, either we are sitting on floods or we are running for water and droughts because of lack of proper infrastructure to address all those challenges. We have marine resources, livestock resources, agricultural resources, and above all, human resources, which is very entrepreneurial and very active, as you may have seen in your countries. I would like to reiterate again and again that this is a great community that many more countries will join, I hope in the future, but Somalia, I want Somalia to be the first to join now, the 80th country to join the community. And I would like to say thank you again. It's a great honor and privilege for me to get this opportunity to be here, sitting with you today in this great house of East African community and the capital of East African community, Arusha. I would also like to be very much grateful for the warm welcome that I was given by my great country as well, Tanzania, who I have been living a good time in this country, and it's not my first time or second time to come and stay here in Tanzania. It was 30 years ago when I first came to this country. Tanzania was a different place by that time, and today is a different Tanzania. I hope that in the years to come, we all will be a different countries. Thank you very much. Thank you.